Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into some valuable lessons learned from those who have mastered the art of time management. It's like getting secret recipes from top chefs. These nuggets of wisdom can truly transform the way we handle our time. Let's uncover these lessons and see how we can apply them to our own lives. Lesson 1. Prioritization is everything. The art of saying no. Effective time managers know that they can't do everything. They've mastered the art of saying no to tasks that don't align with their goals. It's like being at a buffet and choosing only what you really enjoy or need. Focus on high-impact activities. They identify and concentrate on tasks that have the greatest impact. It's about doing the right things, not just doing things right. Lesson 2. Planning is key. Start with a plan. Each day begins with a clear plan. It doesn't have to be overly detailed. Sometimes a simple to-do list works wonders. Think of it as setting the GPS before starting a journey. Flexibility within structure. While they have a plan, they're also flexible enough to adjust it as needed. It's like having a roadmap but being open to taking a scenic detour. Lesson 3. Time blocking works wonders. Dedicated blocks of time. They often use time blocking, dedicating specific blocks of time to different tasks or types of work. It's like assigning each part of your day a specific theme or focus. Minimizing multitasking. This approach helps in minimizing multitasking, which, despite popular belief, usually hampers productivity. Lesson 4. The importance of breaks. Regular breaks for sustained energy. Top time managers know that to be productive, you need to take regular breaks. It's like pausing for breaths between laps in a pool. It keeps you going longer and stronger. Breaks for creativity and problem solving. They use breaks as a time to step back, which often leads to better creativity and problem solving. Lesson 5. Leveraging technology wisely. Use of digital tools. Effective time managers are not afraid to use technology to their advantage. Apps for scheduling, reminders, and task management are their allies, but not being ruled by it. However, they ensure technology serves them, not the other way around. It's about being the master of your tools, not the slave. Lesson 6. Reflection and adjustment. Regular review of practices. They regularly review their time management practices and are not afraid to adjust their strategies. It's a continuous process of refinement. These lessons from effective time managers offer us a blueprint for managing our own time better. So, let's take these lessons and put them into practice. Remember, time management is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. Let's start implementing these strategies and watch how they can change our lives for the better. Here's to becoming masters of our own time.